How to tell if it is a banana spider. The Brazilian wandering spider, also known as the banana spider, is one of the world's top 5 deadliest spiders. A unique attribute to this spider is that it does not weave webs, it instead burrows or uses natural debris on the jungle floor for its shelter. This spider is native to the jungles of South America, but has been known to catch a ride to other parts of the world with fruit shipments such as bananas, hence its nickname of the banana spider. Use caution when dealing with potential banana spiders because they are venomous and bites can be lethal. Avoid coming within a few feet of them because they are known to jump up to 4 feet onto their prey, or when threatened. If you need to get a closer look at a live one, trap it in a large clear container with a tight lid. Check the spider's size. Banana spiders can grow to have a leg span up to 5 inches and a body length up to 1.9 inches. Watch for aggressive behavior. Banana spiders are very aggressive and will lift the front part of its body up into an erect position with its 2 front legs raised high into the air. The spider will then sway its body from side to side in an act of intimidation. It may even begin hopping from side to side if really agitated. Analyze its appearance. Banana spiders range in color from black to varying shades of brown, they have hairs all over their body and legs giving them a furry appearance, and they have bright red jaws. Tips. Warnings. To move a banana spider, place a glass dome such as a jar or bowl over the spider, slide a thin piece of cardboard underneath and move the entire ensemble by sliding the cardboard out the door before removing the glass by knocking it over with a broom handle. Never get within 4 feet of the spider. Never handle a banana spider as they can be deadly.